Ever wondered how to get the most out of AI tools like GPT-3, Gemini, or BART? Well, here's a little secret. It's all about the power of the right prompt. Since the release of GPT-3, I've been immersed in a world of AI, taking courses, testing, doing in-depth research. What I've discovered is that the real magic lies not just in these incredible AI platforms, but in how you engage with them. Many users approach AI in a simple question-answer pattern. But what if we could optimize this interaction? What if, by crafting the perfect prompt, we could get the desired output in a single shot? My journey of experimentation has led to a formula, a method to this AI madness that works like a charm. With the right prompt formula, you'll usually get the perfect output on the first try. By the way, do me a big favor, click the subscribe button to help us continue to create this type of content. But how do we create such a prompt? What are these best practices that make prompt engineering a total breeze? You need to be specific, stating the intent, and using correct spelling and grammar. The more detailed your question, the better the response. Instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," ask, "What are some small dog breeds good for apartments?" You're more likely to get a helpful answer. 2. Spill your guts. Share why you're asking the question. Say, "My kid's got science homework and quantum physics is making my brain hurt. Can you help?" This context helps the AI better understand your needs. 3. Don't forget to spell check. While AI can handle misspellings, typos can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. A quick review ensures your results stay on track. 4. Tell the AI exactly what you want. If you need a list or a paragraph, just ask. For example, "Can you list the steps for making chocolate cake?" Gets you exactly what you need. 5. Follow-ups are essential. Even the best prompt may need a little tweaking. Ask questions to fine-tune the AI's output. 6. If you're not getting what you want, don't be afraid to switch it up. This formula works most of the time, but sometimes the AI needs things worded differently. Don't shy away from experimenting. 7. Fact-checking is your friend. Once you get an answer, feed it back to the AI and ask, "Can you fact-check this?" It's a great way to double-check your information. And finally, 8. Hype up the AI. A little flattery never hurts. Compliment the AI on its intelligence and helpfulness. You might be surprised how it improves the responses. Remember, these aren't hard and fast rules, but guidelines to help you communicate more effectively with AI. The idea is to give the AI as much context and clarity as possible, so it can provide the most accurate and helpful responses. Now here's the magic. Use it in this order for any prompt and watch the results get crazy good. The magic formula is a cocktail of 4 elements: context, specific info, intent, and response format. First up is context. Let the AI know who you are and your level of understanding. Are you a newbie coder, a seasoned chef looking to experiment with new cuisines, or a student cramming for an exam? Establishing a context helps the AI tailor its response to your needs. Moving on to specific info. Don't just say you want to learn Python. Specify what you're trying to do. Are you trying to understand exception handling? Or perhaps you want to learn how to write a loop. The clearer you are, the better the AI can assist you. Next is intent. What do you want from the AI? Do you need an explanation, a how-to guide, or a list of resources? Defining your intent helps the AI deliver the right kind of information. Lastly, response format. Do you want a list, a paragraph, a step-by-step guide? The way you want your information presented can make a big difference in how you absorb it. Here's an example. "Hey AI, I'm a total coding newbie trying to learn Python. Can you explain exception handling in a way even my grandma would get? I'd like a simple paragraph, please." This formula saves so much back and forth with the AI. Try it, level up your results. Solid prompts get you solid results. The formula, context, specific info, your intent, and response format is your magic key to prompt engineering. It's all about being specific, clear about your intent, and proactive in your approach. Remember, the right prompt saves you time and frustration. Give it a go and see the difference. Hope this helps.